user-friendly, practical functions and efficient specifications, and in a simple and modern design. So, to present such a product, we dived in and analyzed in different aspects, carefully designed in millimeter scale, discussed and rated again and again, and chose the best among tens of proposals. It was more than blueprints and one trial. We pursued the best visual ratio. We polished it and adjusted its shape more than once for better handle feeling. We made precise models with 3D printed and found many picky hands to test the feeling. The internal structure also matters. Our engineers took pains to run several rounds of structural R&D only for the exquisite and simple Hodo cordless screwdriver. Wait. Before being delivered to you, it has to go through tons of meticulous and rigorous tests to ensure it is worthy of the name. Powerful, resistant to unfavorable conditions, durable, and safe. Now it is showtime. A massive output of strong power and precise duplication of the perfect appearance. The efficient machines and careful workers joined hands to bring to you this Hodo cordless screwdriver.